What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be taking the Civic through the gears. We've got the air filter off. It's a really nice day today here in Texas, and we're just gonna go ahead and pull through the gears. We were having some issues, so we're gonna see if this fixes it. Now I'll show you real quick what I'm talking about. Right here you can see this is the thermostat housing, and it moves. That's because it broke off in the actual block. It doesn't leak any coolant, but it was causing our ground wire to not have a full connection at all times. So I moved the ground wire to on top of the starter. There's a bolt spot. I bolted it there. So we're gonna see if that fixes the issue. The issue I was having is when we started going through the gears, voltage would drop down to 10 volts and then back up and then back down. Speed sensor would fluctuate. Like, there was just all kinds of things happening that shouldn't have been happening. So hopefully that fixes it. We went to the salvage yard, got another alternator, and yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go through the gears. Now I have the GoPro mount right here, so that way you can see the speedometer and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you set up. All right, so I'm gonna be data logging this session. That way, if it does it again, I'll have some data log proof. But hopefully we fix the problem just with the ground wire. So a lot of you probably already know I have a stock D16y7 engine with a GT30 eBay turbo. So this is a pull on that stock engine. That was 14 pounds of boost. I have it turned down right now just so I could diagnose the problem. So everything seems to be working how it should now. So I'm really happy with it. So I'm probably gonna turn around and do one more pull. Other than the clutch not holding up, it did pretty good. Pulled really hard, but once we get the Vitara engine built and thrown in, it'll have a 6-puck stage 4 clutch, so the clutch shouldn't be an issue anymore. This is a 6-puck stage 3 with 1,000 miles a week for over a year on it, so it definitely has some wear. And seeing 19 pounds of boost just now, it definitely couldn't hold up anymore. So I thought it was 19 pounds, but it was at 18. Look at the head lift that we've got. Has swollen this radiator hose right here because it's allowing the boost pressure to slip past the head gasket into the cooling system. Very important to run ARP head studs on these guys. But for being completely stock and a junkyard bottom end with the stock original Y7 head, it's completely factory Y7, just with a cheap eBay GT30 turbo and a really good tune by Michael. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A lot of people have been asking me for some more pool videos before I put my Vitara build in. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to follow the Vitara build, definitely hit the like button. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the stock Y7 pulling through the gears. And hit the bell icon to get notified of every upload. And subscribe, obviously. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, God bless, stay awesome, go fast.